video, I am going to show you how to apply lashes on yourself. So I'm going to use two different techniques on both my eyes, so stay tuned in case you wish to know how to do it right. And for all those who are watching me for the first time, I'm Chandni Singh. I'm a hair and makeup artist based in New Delhi. I've been working for the last 14 years. My studio is in Najpal Nagar in New Delhi. I do professional makeup courses, we do personal makeup workshops. We also have our own brand called CS Essentials, where we have our own line of lashes, beauty blenders, spatulas and plates, brush boxes, organizers. Why don't you have a look at our website, csessentials.in. We also sell a lot of international products like To Apply False Makeup Revolution, and with us you will get 100% genuine products. So I'm using CS Essential Lashes in style SELENA. This is one of my most favorites lashes. These are only priced at 175 rupees. And I'm going to use the Duo Lash Glue. Duo remains one of my favorite lash glues. I just take the tiniest amount of Duo Lash Glue, and I like to work. I use a lash holder also. You can also use a plucker. However, I feel a lash holder is better. I also like to use a bobby pin. So I just take the bobby pin and I apply glue from the beginning until the end. So the trick is not to apply too much or too little. It just has to be just enough, right? So if you apply too much, the glue is just going to run down your eye and you might come down with tears, and sometimes it also ends up sticking your eyes together. So if you really look at the glue, it's equal and constant throughout, right? Whenever I apply glue, I never apply it immediately. I give it about 20 seconds for it to become a little tacky. I personally do not like the Huda Lash glue because the Huda Lash glue is black. And when you kind of take it to your lid, if by mistake you touch on top, you can end up having a black glue dot on your light color lid, which you definitely don't want, right? So the other option is to hold it with a lash holder. Now mostly what people struggle with is placing it at the right way. So I also feel what happens is that when I hold a lash and I place it, obviously I know how to go about it. In your case, when you place it, you sometimes end up placing it either a little bit too out or too in. So I always feel that one thing that would definitely work is pulling your eye and then applying your lash. So that is one trick that you can use. However, in my case, because I'm very good with applying my own lashes, please note I've already applied my mascara. I curled my lashes first and then I applied my mascara. So I just place the lash right in the center first, right? I then take the back of the lash and I just push it right there. And then I take the front of the lash and I push it right there, and there you go, it's done. Would you believe that? Now I know all you guys says, oh, you can do it right because you are a pro, so I will teach you how I got here, right? So I could always easily do it on my clients, but I used to struggle to do it on myself, and I devised a very easy method. Okay, but before I get to that, let me complete this one. So there you go. If you really look at it, there is no gap between my lashes and the fake lash that is stuck, right? Another advantage about using CS Essential Lashes is that the lash band is very soft and you can kind of maneuver it and play with it. And then once my lash is in place, I just kind of press both my lashes together and look at that. So with lash, without lash, definitely with lash, guys, right? So these are wispy, looks beautiful, it looks very natural also. Once I'm done with this, now this is where the lash curler comes in. So say sometime the lash holder comes in. Say if you have a little bit of gap, and if you are somebody who's not able to manage sticking it together, this is where this is really helpful, because you can literally kind of do that and kind of, you know, push and apply a little bit of pressure to push the fake lash down on the natural lashes. Absolutely love it. So in case your lash is too long for you, the question is whether you need to cut it from the inside or from the outside. This would really depend on the lash style that you're using. So there are lash styles which are the same from the beginning until the end. In case you're using one of those styles, I like to cut it equally from inner and outer corners, right? If I'm using an angled lash, which means it is smaller at the inner corner and more flared out on the outside, again, I would like to cut more at the outer edge and not at the inner edge. So please be a good judge of that before you stick your lash. Remember, if your lash is too long than the length of your eye, your eye appears a lot more droopy. Now coming to the easier way to apply lashes for beginners, I'm first going to take the outer edge of the lash and just take some glue, duo lash glue. This is available on our website also. A lot of fake duo lash glues are available in the market, guys. Please be careful. If you're not able to stick lashes properly, it could also be because of a bad glue. So there you go, I have duo lash glue all over my lash, and then I just kind of take that and I place it at the outmost edge of my eye. So this is just to give you a closer look, right? And the moment I put it there, it just kind of you can also, if you feel that your fingers are too big for you, you can work with the back of a bobby pin as well. Just pushing it into place as close as possible to your lashes. Use your fingertips if you can. I would always advise that you use the lash holder because that gives you a great grip. So there you go. I've just applied the lash at the outer edge. So I've applied glue again. I'm going to wait for a little bit before I get it onto my eye. This is the center of the lid, and now I am going to place it. Let me come closer to you guys. Right next to it. So there you go. I've just placed it right next to it, and I'm just going to push it into place. And now I have the innermost corner, which I'm going to place right there. So once I kind of place it, I always kind of open my eye and look in closely if I have placed it in the right place, and yes, I have. And then I'm just going to apply pressure. You can also work with the back of the lash holder if that kind of works for you. Remember, too much of glue is going to be a disaster. At the same time, don't apply too little that the lash just comes off. So there you go. Both the lashes applied in different techniques, much easier. And this would work for you when you become a complete pro, guys. Trust me, this is just practice. I was terrible at it when I started. I have really worked hard to kind of master my art, and trust me, it's not impossible. I always kind of take mascara and push my lashes into the fake lashes so that they don't stand out separately. If you need a little bit of an eyeliner touch-up, you can always do that. If you are somebody who does not like a crisp eyeliner, you can just put a little bit of a black pencil and smoke it out. It always works with lashes. I feel lashes is one thing that can really amp up your look. So I hope you like this tutorial. Do let me know in the comments what you think. If you tried it and if you were successful, do let me know. I would love to know if you could do it easily after you saw my tutorial. Do let me know in the comments. If you wish to see a certain thing, I'll definitely try and film it. Take care, guys.